It's already in the middle of the air, right? And the character is going here, and it's like, you know what I mean, right? The character is like in the middle of the air, and it's like, oh, then this character realized, oh, I got like no ground beneath me, so the character just drop, okay, like then drop, but you know what? It's like they're in the middle of the air for a few seconds, and then drop. What about we want our character to in the middle of the air, and we want to say, hey, I want to be forgiving. I want this to be a casual game. I want it to be able to jump here. Okay? It's like, and then realize I need to jump, and then I jump, and you know what? You can jump because it's a casual game. It's a forgiving game. Okay? You know what? We can also do that. And for game developers, we can actually utilize this forgiving for this mistake, for this like not so natural, not so realistic in the physical world mechanism. We embedded that in the game and still can work. For example, this is a typical called Coyote Time, and I'm going to show you more on how to achieve it. Okay, so I want to quickly demonstrate the Coyote Time, right? So basically, jump, right? See how I press it, okay? So for example, I should fall down, but I press again. See that? Press again. Okay, let me just zoom it in a little bit. I should get down, but press again, so that's more forgiving, right? So it's like, just in the middle there, I forgot to press, and then I press again. I still can somehow save it. Right, I can somehow still jump. Okay, that's the typical Coyote Time. And of course, for this jumping, if I want to immediately jump right after I hit the ground, you can see that I'm not hitting the ground, but I press jump. You can hear this sound. But you know what? I can still jump. Okay? Even though it's not precisely when I hit the ground, as long as I press within a certain buffer zone, I can still do that. And even though I'm in the middle of the air, I can still jump, right? I can still jump. So it's like a superpower, okay? But it's a typical Coyote Time.